right, let's check in now with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer. And Craig, let's say, hypothetically, I wanted to fire up the grill in the backyard. Hypothetically, would I be able to do that, sir?
Yeah, hypothetically you would, but be sure you have plenty of cold water or something, because it's going to be, not in hypothetical terms, very hot this weekend. Here's what's going on right now. First off, it's our Keys camera. You can see a bit of haze to the atmosphere today. It's the Saharan dust we've been talking about all week. It started arriving last night. It's here today. If you have any type of respiratory ailments, you may want to limit your exposure outside. And if you have any type of heat-related issues, of course, stay in the air conditioning. Looking pretty good, though, out there in the lower Keys. 91 currently in Miami, 89 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 90 in Key West. Sticking to scales an 8. Extra steamy. Feels like 102. East wind at 15. No rainfall. Radar showing a few little showers on the easterly breeze. Some of the activity coming into mainly the upper Keys, and that's really what we're going to see as we go through the night. Then during the day tomorrow, our rain chances go up a little bit throughout South Florida. Temperatures for highs today in the low to mid 90s everywhere, well above the normal of 90. And there's the breeze. It's picked up a bit this afternoon, anywhere from 12 to 16 miles an hour out of the east northeast. Once again, as we go through time, moisture is going to increase in the atmosphere as we go through the weekend, and that breeze is going to be carrying in some showers. Feels like temperatures upper 90s to 106, definitely hot. They usually say the Labor Day weekend is the last weekend of summer. It's about our 2/3 of the way through point, unfortunately. And here's the satellite through the day today. Nothing going on, just a little bit of that haze you can see showing up. Bigger picture, there is a weather feature we're watching down here. There's a tropical wave to the east of it in this area of disturbed weather, and both are gradually moving to the west-northwest. You can see it nicely here in the water vapor loop. First off, there is the wave-like feature down there in the eastern Caribbean, and then there's an upper-level low that's spinning up here, and that's helping to pull some of that moisture northward. But both of these features are moving slowly to the west-northwest. So in the computer models, this is the way it looks as we go through time here. The upper low and the wave kind of come together to the west-northwest, and the moisture begins to increase towards the Bahamas and Florida, so that by Monday, rain chances are going up. In fact, I think we're going to be in some pretty thick moisture as we get into the middle part of next week. Early in the middle part of next week is probably going to be a pretty rainy week starting on Monday. Across the tropics, besides watching this wave here, tropical depression Omar continues to hold on there. And out in the central deep tropical Atlantic, a lot of stuff going on. Looks like Easter eggs out there with scattered development potential. It's really this area here we're watching most closely over the weekend and into next week. You can see on the visible satellite loop, there's definitely motion going this way in the clouds and motion going to the west in the clouds here. So there's gradual turning here, and the computer models say something's going to develop here. What develops, it's still too early to tell, and where it goes, it's definitely too early to tell. I know many folks get excited about seeing the computer models, but I would just wait until something develops. Across the country, temperatures not too bad, looking definitely like summer. For tonight, summer Muggies, a stray shower, a low near 80. Tomorrow, look for steamy, hazy, hot, humid conditions. A few storms tomorrow, high temperature near 92. On the water, winds to the east 10 to 15, seas running 2 to 3 feet. A light chop in the bays, and taking us through the weekend, it is looking like an increasing chance for rain, and the rain sticks around next week. Back to you.